creamy spinach, and mushroom stuffed potatoes. Today's dish is one you won't want to miss. It's absolutely delicious. Let's start by preparing our ingredients. 2 large baking potatoes, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 cup mushrooms, chopped, 2 cups fresh spinach, chopped, 2 garlic cloves, minced, half cup cream cheese, quarter cup grated parmesan, salt and pepper to taste. Optional, shredded mozzarella. On top, here we go. Let's get started. From start to finish will take about 45 minutes. 1. Bake the potatoes. Preheat oven to 400 to 4. F 200 to 4. C. Rub potatoes with a bit of oil and salt. Then bake for 30-35 minutes or until soft. 2. Cook the filling. In a skillet, heat oil, add garlic and mushrooms. Cook 3-4 minutes. Add spinach and stir until wilted. Stir in cream cheese, parmesan, salt, and pepper. Remove from heat. 3. Stuff the potatoes. Cut the baked potatoes in half, scoop out most of the insides, leave a thin shell, and mix them into the spinach mushroom mixture. 4. Final bake. Spoon the mixture back into the potato skins. Top with mozzarella if desired. Return to oven for 5-10 minutes until bubbly and golden. Best enjoyed warm and fresh. A little tricks that makes a big difference. 1. Use starchy potatoes like russets or baking potatoes. They're fluffier and easier to scoop and mash. 2. Dry the spinach well after washing. Too much moisture will make the filling watery. If using frozen spinach, squeeze out all excess water. For more tasty recipes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a bite. See you next time. Enjoy your meal